Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am bringing you a 2-for-1 specials, boho braids and boho twists. So I got this hair from her hair company. Sent me the 20-inch in the deep wave and the deep curly. This is the deep curly that I use for the boho braids, and then for the boho twists, the deep wave. These are the boho braids. Absolutely love how they turned out. These are like jumbo braids in medium sections. So I have anywhere between 5 to 8 of the boho pieces out on each braid. So I did use a lot of the boho hair for each braid. Absolutely love how it turned out. I have had these up I did these on Saturday and today is Tuesday. So these have been up for almost 5 days now. I have not refreshed the boho curls at all. I just put my bonnet on at night. I get up in the morning and I just separate the boho pieces because sometimes they get stuck together. I just separate them just like this. And I don't add anything to them. I did barrel the ends of the braid. So I braided it down to the length that I wanted it. And then I just barreled the ends and just put a rubber band around it. And just left the boho curls out. But I absolutely love how this turned out. This bulk hair is absolutely beautiful, tangle-free, shed-free. Absolutely love it. So again, this is the deep curly for the boho braids, and then I'm using the deep wave for the boho twist. So let's give you a tongue-tied. I'm just so obsessed with these braids. So let me give you a 360 of these boho braids, and we'll get right into this tutorial. So for the bottom the bottom row, I did not add any boho pieces. I just braided it down. And then once I got to the second row from the bottom, added 4 pieces. And then the next row, I added 5, and then 6, and then 7. And I just continued to add the boho pieces because I did want the fuller look. I absolutely love how this turned out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. But we're gonna get right into this tutorial, and then up next, we're gonna be doing the boho twist tutorial. So stay tuned for all this goodness. So if you have gotten this far in the video and you have not subscribed yet and you like what you see, what are you waiting for? Click subscribe, click the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my uploads. I do a lot of protective styles. I'm also going to be bringing some natural hairstyles back to my channel, and I don't want you to miss any of it. So go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my uploads. I will put the name of the company on the screen, and I'll also put their information in the description box, so make sure that you check it out. Again, this is the 20-inch deep curly for the boho braids, 20-inch deep wave for the boho twist. So here we are back with the boho twist, and excuse my voice, I am dealing with a sinus infection. So I got a sore throat, stuffy nose, headache, but I'm here to give you all the hair tutorials. So these are the boho twists. Absolutely love them just as much as I love the boho braids. So I'm gonna give you a 360 of the boho twists, and then we'll get right into the tutorial. Again, this hair is from her hair company. I'll leave the information in the description box so that you can check it out. I did do the boho braids first at the beginning of the video. Now we are on to the boho twist. Absolutely love how the twist turned out as well. I'm definitely a twist girl over braids. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Which one is your favorite, the boho braids or the boho twist? Now for the boho twist, I did use about 3 to 8 boho pieces for each one of the twists. I used more pieces as I got closer to the front. The thing about adding boho hair with the twist is that sometimes the hair twists around itself. So keep that in mind. I did put rubber bands at the end of the twist, and then I added some small perm rods, dipped them in hot water, let them dry, and then took them out. And this is what the ends are looking like. With the braids, I did the barrel twist at the end, so I did not have to dip them. So the twists are a little bit longer than the braids were, but I absolutely love both styles. So let's get right into this tutorial for these boho twists. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed these two styles. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. As always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.